Do you think it's good looking though, Meredith?
I would definitely buy this car.
See, she buys.
Girls like it. Girls like the car.
Hyper Speed Media.
Truly, thank you everybody so much for coming out. This is more than we expected. We've got another Type R coming. Oh my gosh.
So how many Type R's so far?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And the Integra. And
the tag. Call it 7 or 8.
Type R party today.
Too many.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. VTEC kicking in. There you go. All right, guys. Tell me about these Type R.
Finally, some real cars showed up.
Oh. So tell me about it.
Well, I've got the Civic beckoning them in right here at the front, so thank God we finally got the FL5 Owners Club here.
Ooh, nice.
Check them out.
Oh yeah, I got it. 1978. Lincoln Continental, the Town Car Edition. Oh, trunk is very cool. I'll show you where that is. Oh yeah, there
you go.
But you know,
look at that, and a Cannonball Club hat right there.
Oh, special.
Come on, get a photo of him in the hat
special.
right there.
Look, where? This Cannonball special.
yeah, okay.
Yeah.
That and then
Wow, look at that.
this is right here too
$10
for
piece.
the side.
See this trunk, right?
Okay.
You kill somebody, you throw them in there, no problem.
Come on, I'm not criminal.
Yeah, well here I'll just put 2800 end of day.
Today.
How about tomorrow? What happened?
Tomorrow. That's fine. That's fine. You know
Tomorrow,
what?
what's gonna happen?
No. 801 tomorrow. It increases $1 every day. We're making a sale over here, Meredith.
Wow.
Do you think it's good looking though, Meredith?
I would definitely buy this car.
See, she buys.
Girls like it. Girls like the car.
Do you think it's worth 6,000?
For sure. It
See?
might be even more.
See?
Look at that.
I'm a fan of the tuners. This NSX, always amazing.
Oh yeah.
Love the rotaries. I'm a Miata fan myself.
Hey, you gotta pull your pink one up next to the orange one.
I know.
Next time.
Heads up, CT, you got something behind you. We've got a Nissan Z here, which I have not seen very many of.
Okay, yeah.
Very cool. Obviously, the most important thing here.
Oh yeah, you gotta show that off.
We've got the early 90s vans. They're a little dirty at the moment, but beautiful. We've got a Supra here, more than you can afford, pal. David's making burgers. We got the Formula 1 race going on inside. Chris's silly Porsche's here. Better than Chris's silly Porsche, the Integra.
Nice.
Love it. 8 Series, Cannonball truck. We got a Genesis, we got an M2, we got an Evo 9, we got, was that an Eclipse?
Yep.
All right, we got David's dumb BMW. We got every generation Beamer here. We got some crazy 1,000 horsepower Corvette. We got a CRX, that thing's sweet.
Oh yeah.
GT350, Justin is trying desperately to sell his Lincoln.
I think he might have a buyer too. Oh, some old dude.
And yeah, thank you everybody so much for coming out. This is a wonderful event so far, and interested to see who wins this race. It'll probably be Max Verstappen, but
how do they reach Cannonball?
If you want to reach out, find us on Instagram at Cannonball Storage, and check us out online at cannonballstorage.com. Sign up to be a member today, and if you've got a Civic Type R, I guess you're welcome. Check out, this guy's got a spoon intercooler. Chris is going to be jealous about that.
He's going to upgrade that real soon.
Yeah, Chris doesn't have enough spoon stuff.
Hey, my name is Chris. This is my 1989 Honda CRX SI. This is originally a California car, and we got it over here, got it restored. We put a lot of cool parts into it. It's a B series with a turbo kit. It's putting about a 430 horsepower on the dyno, so it is a tire burner. We maybe get traction in 4th gear, but it's a blast. So this originally started with a GSR swap, and then we did a full build on it, complete top and bottom, and it's a Precision 62 turbo. It's got plenty of power for a front-wheel drive car. The whole turbo kit, as well as all the piping, intercoolers, coolant, was done by Greg at Go Auto Works. And he's an amazing fabricator. He did exactly for this chassis, exactly what the turbo, what I wanted, what the power goal, and he had it, built it up, and now it works perfect.
How'd it go?
Well, we might have ran out of burgers, but that was a good thing. Thank you for coming out to the Cannonball Club Cars and Coffee. We'll see you next time.
Just that easy.
It's just
ハイパースピードメディア